Who are we? Chirchik State Pedagogical University is a modern center of knowledge on the path to great goals. This center is a contemporary hub of science, innovation, and international cooperation. Our university was established in 2017. The university has rapidly evolved into a hub of science, innovation, and international collaboration. Currently, the university boasts an enrollment of over 24,000 students, supported by more than 650 professors and lecturers, along with 70 staff members dedicated to spiritual and educational guidance. Notably, 40% of our academic staff hold advanced scientific degrees. Our university has 10 faculties in operation. These are the Faculty of Pedagogy, the Faculty of Preschool Education, the Faculty of Primary Education, the Faculty of Mathematics and Informatics, the Faculty of Physics and Chemistry, the Faculty of Natural Sciences, the Faculty of Humanities, the Faculty of Tourism, the Faculty of Physical Culture, and the Faculty of Art Studies. These faculties offer more than 50 undergraduate and graduate programs. Each year, over 1,500 graduates successfully secure employment. In the past 5 years, more than 60 memoranda of understanding have been signed with international universities. Currently, we actively collaborate with institutions from Germany, South Korea, Turkey, Russia, Malaysia, Indonesia, and many other Asian countries. In international rankings, our university continues to strengthen its position. According to the 2025 QS Asia University rankings, we are ranked 851st overall and 61st in the Central Asia region. The university campus features state-of-the-art laboratories, a digital library, innovation and creativity centers, sport complexes, greenhouses, and student dormitories that accommodate over 1,500 students. All facilities are designed in compliance with technological and ecological safety standards. Chirchik State Pedagogical University is a platform for modern education, advanced science, sustainable development, and open international cooperation. The future begins with us. We invite you to join us in partnership. Faculty of Natural Sciences. Introducing the Faculty of Natural Sciences, a modern educational center that explores nature through scientific approach and fosters ecological thinking. With over 1,500 students specializing in biology, geography, and ecology, the faculty emphasizes understanding environmental laws, biosphere analysis, and working with geoinformation systems.
Man Bektayeva Hurriyat Artigaliyevna, Tabiiy fanlar fakulteti genetika va evolyutsion biologiya kafedrasining o'qituvchisi bo'laman. Shu 5 yildan beri shu universitetda ish faoliyatim olib borib, hattoki ilmiy ishimni ham shu universitetda boshlab, shu universitetda yakunlanyapman. Undan tashqari biz dars jarayonimizda talabalarga o'rgatgan barcha ilmlarimizni qiziqtirilgan yoki qiziqqan talabalar bilan yanada qo'shimcha ravishda biza to'garaklar tashkil etilganmiz. To'garagimiz Ibn Sino avlodlari to'garaklar bilan boshlanib, Fidobar ustasi degan kurs ochildi. Fidobar ustasida biza talabalarni asosan o'sha dars jarayonida o'simliklarni morfologik, anatomik, fiziologik jihatdan o'rgangan bilimlarini yanada chuqurlashtirish uchun uni tarkibiy qismi, ularni inson salomatligiga qanchalik muhim ekanligini o'rgatish uchun yanada qo'shimcha kurslar tashkil etgan. U kursda biza o'qib bo'lgandan keyin sertifikat beramiz. Ular qo'shimcha kasb sifatida xohlagan ishga joylashgandan keyin fitobar tashkil etsa bo'ladi va undan tashqari talabalarni qo'shimcha ish bilan ham ta'minlash imkoniyatini beradi. Bizda men shaxsan o'zim o'qituvchilar ham ilmiy ish va dissertatsiya ishlarimda aynan shu dorivor o'simliklarni tanlab, biza pedagogika universitet ekanligimiz uchun uni pedagogik jihatidan yoritib berib va o'shani yanada mukammalroq o'rganishga yo'l ochishga harakat qildim.
Our facilities include experimental gardens, ecological laboratories, and field practice sessions. Our educators are experienced professionals actively involved in international projects and ecological education.
Men Ne'matov Hasanov Qahramonjon o'g'li Chirchiq davlat pedagogika universiteti tabiiy fanlar fakulteti aniq va tabiiy fanlar o'qitish metodikasi biologiya mutaxassisligi birinchi bosqich magistrantiman. Bakalavr bosqichini ham ushbu universitetda tamomlaganman. Bizni fakultet 2019-yildan buyon o'z faoliyatini olib boradi. Bizning fakultetda bakalavr bosqichi talabalari uchun ikkita kafedra, ya'ni biologiya va geografiya kafedrasi, magistr talabalari uchun esa aniq va tabiiy fanlar o'qitish metodikasi mutaxassisliklari o'z faoliyatini olib boradi. Xo'p, o'z ilmiy faoliyatim haqida to'xtalib o'tadigan bo'lsam, aynan ushbu fakultetda ustozlarimiz rahbarligida biologiya kimyo fanidan o'z ilmiy faoliyatini olib borganman hamda ushbu ilmiy faoliyat orqali erishgan yutuqlarim natijasida Islom Karimov nomli davlat stipendiyasi sohibi bo'lganman. Bundan tashqari, bu yil yutuqlarimdan to'xtalib o'tadigan bo'lsam, Cambridge xalqaro o'qituvchi malaka oshirish dasturida birinchi bosqichni o'qib tamomladim. Bu yerda aynan o'z ilmiy faoliyatimizni olib borish uchun laboratoriyamizda barcha sharoitlar yaratilgan. Jumladan spektrofotometr, sentrifuga kabi bir qancha jihozlarimiz talabalarga, nafaqat talabalarga, balki professor o'qituvchilarimizga ham o'z ilmiy faoliyatini olib borishda bir qancha imkoniyatlar yaratadi. Bundan tashqari, men faoliyatda Yoshlar akademiyasi lideri sifatida o'z faoliyatini olib boraman. Bu talabalarimizga nima beradi? Ya'ni talabalarga ilmiy faoliyat tashkil etishda nafaqat ustoz bilan birga, ya'ni talabaga ustoz tamoyili asosida talabalarga ilmiy faoliyat tashkil etishda ko'maklashishga yordam beradi. Bu talabalardagi kamchiliklarni oson to'ldirishga katta imkoniyat yaratadi deb o'ylayman.
Natural sciences guide us in understanding the harmony between humans and the environment. We are committed to nurturing environmentally conscious and socially responsible youth. Chirchiq State Pedagogical University, the future begins with us. We invite you to join us in partnership.